welcome back to Sunday Live channel, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about Imbewu The Seed. Nkululeko will never find peace. His world is about to turn upside down. He tried to help his mother, hoping she will go for good. Thokozile is the most problematic character on Imbewu, with a very selfish behavior. When she came to the story, all she wanted was Ngulusi, even willing to kill Mazulu. Unfortunately, the plan went wrong and Ngulusi was killed instead. Thokozile has been using Nkululeko, Zethu and Fikile for her own benefit. Thokozile escaped the punishment by faking her own death with the help of a Sangoma and her son Nkululeko, who is now living with the guilty conscience as Kamadonsela is arrested for murder she didn't commit. Unfortunately, guys, tables is about to turn. Thokozile is back to make things right, or worse, we don't know. But this week, TSS reveals that, reveals her as a mysterious woman who is buying Nkuleko's family, hoping they will accept her back. She will get back to Nkuleko's life with Fikile's help, and later we learn that Mepo went missing. Does Thokozile want money from the Bhengu family or what? We are about to find out. Do leave your comment below, guys, and share with us what is your take on Thokozile's return. Are you happy or not? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.